Hello students, we will review a few of the benchmark questions in this session, starting with question number 6. This is a potential energy versus kinetic energy question. When the ball is sitting on the shelf, it has potential energy. It has the potential to do work. Mechanical energy is made up of potential energy and kinetic energy. In the case of the ball on the shelf, it has potential energy but no kinetic energy because it's sitting still. The correct answer is C. It has mechanical energy in the form of potential energy. Number 7 is another energy question. What happens as the ball moves down the track? At the top of the track, the ball has stored energy. As it moves down the track, that stored energy becomes kinetic energy, or the energy of motion. The correct answer to this question is A. Number 8 mimics number 7 as the roller coaster travels down a hill. What type of energy change takes place? Again, the roller coaster has potential energy at the top of the hill, which was created as the car was towed to the top of the hill. As the car begins to move, the potential energy is converted to kinetic energy, the energy of motion. The correct answer to the question is B. Number 10 asks which type of energy is changed by plants into chemical energy. Remember that this process is called photosynthesis and takes place when sunlight is transformed into food and energy for the plant. During this process, oxygen is released. The correct answer is A, solar energy. Number 11 asks about simple machines. The simple machines are devices which make work easier by giving us a mechanical advantage when performing a task. The 6 simple machines are the lever, the inclined plane, the wheel and axle, the pulley, the wedge, and the screw. How can an inclined plane make work easier? By decreasing the effort required to raise an object. The correct answer is C. Number 12 again asks about simple machines. In order to pull an object 30 meters off the floor, or about 90 feet, the most efficient simple machine would be the pulley. Number 13 asks why air pressure decreases from the troposphere to the exosphere. The troposphere is the atmosphere layer closest to Earth, and the exosphere is the farthest away. As we move from the Earth, there are fewer and fewer air molecules. This results in the loss of pressure and the loss of breathable air. It is for this reason that we must have pressurized vehicles and suits in space, and why astronauts must have oxygen to breathe. The correct answer is A. Number 14 asks, how does the temperature of the stratosphere compare with the temperature of the mesosphere? The stratosphere is warmer than the mesosphere because it contains the ozone layer. Remember that the ozone layer contains greenhouse gases that trap heat and keep the Earth warm enough for life. The correct answer is B.